to open my mouth, satisfaction. Remember I can get one man. Fearful not to girl, say I did. Baby, to open my yeah. Should I want my man, baby, I'm good. I did. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
So yeah girls, that is all. Okay, this is how my first attempt, how I tried to slick down my hair with the Eco gel. Like I'm supposed to do it in the night because I have like 2 hours after I put the gel, so I think that is why it don't slick down as I want. So yeah, but I don't mind it. Look, though we are in quarantine, I'm not going nowhere, so boo. It is what it is. It is what it is. So that is, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to laugh, you laugh. So here we are here, okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and this video is helpful for you. And the best thing I want to tell you is to do it in the night and next day do the video. If you're a YouTuber, if you're not YouTuber, if you're going somewhere, where you going? We're in quarantine. Even if you want to go to TikTok or Instagram or take pictures, do it in the night. Then next day, put your makeup and all that stuff. But I don't have time for that, so I removed my scarf 2 hours after. Or you can use dryer. You can use dryer and do it. So depending on you. So don't forget to subscribe this video, a big thumbs up, comment and share. And don't forget guys, don't forget to click the bell so you will be notified when I upload my video, because more video is coming. It's coming. And yeah, please watch my ads, okay? Please watch my ads so you girl can have some coins. So watch my ads, okay? So and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will leave it here or here as Divani Hair. Period. So yeah, bye. And follow me on TikTok as Divani Hair too. So we can laugh. I'm a savage. I'm a savage. That song stick on my head. I don't know how to remove it, but yeah, I'm a savage. Period. Let me try it. You see this? No way. I can't go to the barber, so I can't go to the barber. I'm not going to cut my hair by myself like the last time, because I need a very good haircut, like so I can look bam. So let me try to do something. As you can notice by the title, I do that. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but let me try it. Let me comb it and you see how it grows.
I love you, yeah. Nobody got to love you like I do. I damn it, do it, yeah. Then the talk say you do me to do. The way I love you, yeah. Nobody got to love you like I do. I damn it, do it, yeah. Then the talk say you do me to do. Into whatever go happen, yeah. Oh, him, whatever go happen, yeah.